Sarita, and happy Juneteenth, everyone. It has been a day. It is late. The day is almost over. But my son got his first car today. Like, 2026 is just a year of growth for him. And this mama is not taking it very well. Okay, I'm very, very proud. Don't get me wrong. But it's just like, oh my God. Oh my God. So, to start the day off, he rode with me to go to the store because I wanted to go and get a bag that, I don't know. After the meetup, I saw so many pretty bags. And I was like, you know what? I need something of that in my collection. So, let me show y'all what I picked up. This is where I went. At this point, we know it's either Coach or Dillard's that she's going to. Yes. Or Macy's. Don't forget. But this one was the cheapest here at Dillard. So, yeah, it was, what's this say? $175. So, yeah, $175. Now, when she scanned it, it scanned $210, but it's regular $350. But online it says $175. So what are we gonna do? She price matched it because I've heard so many people say they don't price match. Well, they do for me. I've never had an issue. So, and we don't want none, Lord. We don't. So let me show y'all what I picked up. And she had to go search for it. I'm in the store literally. They opened at 11. I was there at like 10:30, sat in the parking lot with my son, handled business on my phone, getting people stuff and situated. And finally, 11 o'clock come, I ran right on in the store. From 11 to 11:35, I'm in there because she is searching and looking for this bag. And finally found it. So I'm going to show y'all what I saw when I was in there. That grabbed my attention. It's not Coach, but it grabbed my attention. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, that is on my radar. Y'all know I love leopards. So yeah, it will be coming. I don't know when. I just said I like it. Okay. But let me show y'all what I picked up. Because I love when you go to Dillard's, it shows which stores has whatever you're looking for. Love that. So whoever decided to do that, thank you. Thank you. So let me see. And look, the price was still, yeah, the price was still regular. Yeah. So this is the beauty. I had to add a legacy piece to my collection. Okay. This is the small, let me see what it says on here. The Legacy SB. So it's the Legacy. Let me show y'all. Oh, let me see. Okay, the Legacy Small is what I'm thinking it's called. I think I'll put it up on the side so y'all can see. But like what? It comes with a top handle, like a shoulder strap, and then also a crossbody strap. So it has a back pocket. It has the flap. It has a suede interior. Yo, the other day we were going to the dealership, and I was like, okay, I don't like bringing certain things with me when we go to certain places. So I was like, I need something quiet, you know. So I ended up bringing my Plaza patchwork bag. That was the quietest bag I had in my eyes. So in small and petite. So I'm sitting there and I was like, okay, I know I have the Cassie 19, but I didn't want to bring that one either. I just wanted it. At this point, I just had to have this bag, and it has been on my radar all week. Now, the bag that I just couldn't get my eyes off of, it was from another TikTok friend. That bag is beautiful. It is a legacy bag. It is not this style, but it is, I guess, one of the ones they're calling the Y2K style. Baby, that bag is beautiful. Lolly had it. I'll put a picture here. Gorgeous, right? Yes. So I was like, okay, what will it hurt for me to go? Let me see how this goes. Well, y'all can see it's leather, but I don't want to take it all the way off. So let me try to put that there, and then I'll put that there. So this morning I got up and I started looking at other people that have this bag or this style, because it came in other colors also. There's a Merlot. There was a white with I think brown trimming. And I was just like, and look at the details. Y'all see the details on there? Yes. Coach, baby, one thing Coach gonna do is you gonna know it's their bag, because they gonna put their name everywhere. And I don't blame them. I don't blame them one bit. But look at that. That's the shoulder strap. Y'all. Like, okay, y'all can't really see it, but what? Yes. Yes, and you know I can add a little chain about one of them little short extenders if I wanted to make. Y'all, this is perfection. I'm thinking, because we want to bring the baby to SeaWorld, Disneyland, and Six Flags. I can snap my phone right back. Where the little thing at? Y'all know I keep this little case now. Go put this phone right back here. Look at that. So while I'm out and I just want to put the phone down from taking pictures and stuff, bam. Yeah, perfection. But I'm excited that, did I take, hold on y'all, sound like messing up how they have it all, and it's suede inside of that too. Okay, so back pocket, interior suede. It is stuffed all. I think there's one zipper pocket at the back, but was that either microfiber or suede? Yeah. Okay, so we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got 5 bags to break down. Okay, I don't know at this point. I cannot explain it to you. I just know they're over there looking at me. Okay, they're over there looking at me. The Kiss Lock, the Rogue 31, the Tabby 36, the Bleecker Bucket 21. Baby, everything got a number except for the Kiss. Oh, the Kiss Lock 27. Everything has a number. Okay, well, the Kiss Lock 27, the Rogue 31, the Tabby 36, the Bleecker 21, and now the Legacy. Y'all, I don't even know where it's going. I don't know where it's going, but it don't matter. It's gonna go somewhere. So, okay. What did y'all do for Juneteenth? Did y'all celebrate? Did y'all go to anything? Did y'all do anything? Yeah, we knew we planned on going to the dealership. We knew I planned on going to get my bag because I thought about it all yesterday. And today I went to get it because I wanted to wait till today to get it because look at it. Legacy, 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 legacy. Y'all know the Jay-Z song. Just have, when I buy stuff, I like it to mean something. I have a little meaning behind it. So I bought this bag on Juneteenth, and yeah. So I am excited about it. Like, it's pebbled, and this is gonna be 10 years. It's still gonna look good, and yeah. So I wanted something from the Legacy. Oh, and if y'all remember this bag that my mom has that I showed y'all, we end up finding, well, I showed it to the manager of the my lips all chapped, y'all. I showed it to the manager of the store before we did everything, and she told me it was a Legacy turn lock. So that's what the bag is, the Legacy turn lock. So the bag still has not been used. She still has it brand new with all the tags on it, and me and my sisters cannot have it. She said no. She really said H-E-L-L, no, but we'll just make it nice for, you know. But that is it. That is all. Happy Juneteenth again. Thank you guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing. And we're going to break these bags down. Okay? Now I feel like they're looking at me. Okay. We're going to break these bags down. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for commenting. Thank y'all for being a part of my community. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye. And I'm drinking coffee, guys. Y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I'm obsessed with coffee. Probably 3-4 cups a day. I know that's not good. My husband be on that too. But I'll see y'all on the next one, okay?